great store, like right out of the 30s. This is wonderful.
Love that.
And a register right out of the 30s.
Isn't that awesome? I love that.
What did it say?
1919.
Oh, wow.
That's the year our dad was born. Oh my gosh, is that cool?
Thank you.
Sorry, I'm taking some video. I hope you don't mind.
No, not at all.
Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, wow. Medina Hardware. Was that fun, Larry? Was that fun?
Yeah,
Was
we're
that
going to
fun?
make a parade now.
That's great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
They even have batteries.
I got everything. I got springs. How do you like that register? 1919, Larry.
Oh, look at the Indian.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow.
That's really cool. Love it. That's really neat. All right. There you go. There's not too many places like this anymore.